Hello everyone, let's see how to open Task Manager in Windows 11. Method 1. Use the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key, and you can see the Task Manager dialog box here open. I close this. And method 2. Use the Run command, press the Window key plus R and type here Task MGR and press the enter, and that's it. Here you can see your task manager here open. I close this dialog box and use the Windows search, press the Windows key and type here task manager, and you can see the best match search here the task manager. Click on it and you can see your task manager here open. I just close this dialog box. And method 4, use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete key, and you can see the Task Manager option here last screen. Just click on it and your Task Manager here open. And the bonus tip here, if you use the Task Manager frequently, pin it for one-click access. So I just close this dialog box and I click on bottom Start button and search here Task Manager and right click on the task manager and click on pin to taskbar, and it's done. You can see in taskbar your task manager here added. Now just double click on this and here you can see your task manager here open. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.